Most beginners think working with resin begins when you pour it. In reality, that's when most mistakes have already been made. Because once resin begins to cure, it cannot be undone. At Cedar Atelier, preparation determines the result. Resin is not a single material, it is a two-part system, part A and part B. Only when these two components are combined in the correct way does the transformation begin. And once it begins, you are working against time. What starts as a liquid slowly becomes solid. This process is a chemical reaction. Most beginners focus on the pour, but the result is already determined before that moment by how the resin was measured, how it was mixed, and the conditions it was prepared in. If the ratio is incorrect, the resin may never fully cure. If it's mixed too quickly, air becomes trapped inside. And once these mistakes are introduced, they cannot be reversed. Working with resin is not about reacting, it's about preparing. Before you first pour, understanding resin is what determines your result. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to mix resin correctly and why precision matters more than speed.